To remove alternator in your Kia Soul, follow these steps. 1. Disconnect the battery negative terminal. 2. Disconnect the air compressor connector and the alternator connector and remove the cable from alternator terminal C. 3. Loosen the mounting bolts. A, and then turn the adjusting bolt. B, clockwise to loosen tension. 4. Remove the drive belt. 5. Remove the alternator brace assembly. A, after loosening the mounting upper bolt. B, and brace mounting bolts. C. 6. Remove the alternator mounting low bolt and then remove the alternator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.